Hello, my name is Allan Keislar. I'm just announcing that the class that was supposed to be a little over an hour ago will be held tomorrow instead. I was doing some painting, trying to finish up this evening because that's supposed to rain tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so we had to finish up the work this evening and it went on a little later than we were expecting. So I will have the class at the same time, 7 p.m. in America, 7 a.m. in Pakistan, Friday night in California, Saturday morning, 7 a.m. in Pakistan. So I guess I'll just have a little chat now if anybody has any questions. All right, sir, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Very happy that we finished up this painting work on our back porch. So when are you visiting Pakistan? Striker Leo asks. I have no plans to visit Pakistan at this point. I don't know when I may. Mohsin Ali says hello. Hello to you too. Judith Bender is watching. It says here, bring them on camera. Ad, would you like to would you like to come on camera with me, Judith? You can send me a message. I don't want to add you without your approval. But Facebook's inviting me to add you to it. So Striker Leo says, I am also a painter. Very good. Dildar, how are you, sir? I am happy. I'm quite well, thank you very much. So I just came on suddenly because I was very late for the class that was supposed to happen an hour ago. So I was just going to announce that I'll have it tomorrow in case anybody missed the class. That's what's going to happen. All right, so there's no particular questions, so I will just end this now, and I hope to see you tomorrow, 7 p.m. That is tomorrow here in California, 7 p.m. and tomorrow Saturday morning in Pakistan at 7 a.m. Okay, goodbye everyone. Sorry for the change. Peace be with you.